I am Tarakram, International Badminton Coach. Today, why I am coming in front of you is to teach you some exercises, which where in this lockdown period, you people are not going outside. So only inside you have the space, little bit you have, that's all. But still you continue some exercises for you so that you keep your body fit and you be happy. Yeah. So do this training as an exercise. Not only exercise, it's enjoyment also. You should enjoy your training. That's very important. Otherwise, you get bored of the sports. So put your legs wider. Put your hands here. We start from head. First, slowly rotate your head clockwise 5 times. Then anti-clockwise 5 times. Yeah, neck is stretched. Then we go for the hands. Turn it like this, clockwise 5 times. Then anti-clockwise 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, shoulders are stretched. Now we stretch for the tricep. Hold your hand and pull like this 5 times. 1, 2, 5. Ready? Now the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times you pull. Now we stretch the quadriceps. Put your hand like this. Slowly take it back. You feel a stretch at the quadriceps. Same for other hand also. 5 times you press. Then you feel a stretch at the quadriceps. Yeah. Next is that we need to set the wrist. Hold your hand like this. Press your wrist 5 times. Then other hand also 5 times. Yeah. Wrist is stretched. Then we have to go for the hip too. Head is over, hands are over. Now hip. So hold your leg like this. Pull for 5 times. Yeah. Hold like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 5 times. Then next is that we are stretching the hip. Put your hand like this, slowly rotate your hip clockwise 2, 3, 4, 5. Then opposite way 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times over. Yeah, hip is stretched. Then we'll do the Superman to set the thigh muscle, front muscle of the thigh. Hold like this, pull for 5 times. Then again hold the other leg, hold for the other leg, pull for 5 times. Yeah. Quadricep is stretched. Now we are going for the hamstring, back muscle of the thigh. Yeah, stand like this. Slowly bend down. See, I'll just show you. Put one leg in front of you. Hold it here. Press for 5 times. Yeah, hamstring is stretched. Now same for the other leg also. We are stretching the hamstring. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, hamstring is stretched. Then next is calf muscle. We will stretch the calf muscle. So stand like this, keep back foot on the toe and press 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now same for other leg. Keep back foot on the toe, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Calf muscle is stretched. Now we do the last exercise. That is shake man. So shake your body. Come on. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah, shake man is over. Now the next exercise is that we have stretched everything. So now we do little strengthening to the leg muscles because you are only sitting at home and you will become your joints will become weak. So if you have the strength in the thigh muscle, that will keep the joints intact. Yeah, you will not have the problem of dislocation and all. If your leg is thoroughly strong, it will hold the joint and keep into the position. That's why we have to strengthen the thigh muscle, which is very important for any sport, except caroms, few exercises. Yeah, we do the strengthening exercise for the thigh muscle, quadricep. So in this exercise, quadricep, hamstring and calf muscle, all the things and including gluteus maximus, that is hip, everything will be stretched. So to do this exercise, put your position like this. Yeah. See, I think there we can do well. So we will go here. Here. Put your hands like this and get into the correct position. Yeah. You need to stand in the air chair position. Keep foot on the toe and bend your knees. Keep the upper body straight and you sit for 5 minutes. Yeah, first day you do 1 minute, then 2 minutes, then next day 3 minutes, then next day 4 minutes. Then finally at the last day 5 minutes. When I am a player, I used to do the air chair half an hour. So imagine what kind of a capacity I used to have when I am playing. When I played the State Open men's singles finals, at that time I have that much capability. Yeah. Now we are doing the strength exercise for the thigh. Yeah. Quadricep, hamstring, calf muscle and hip. Everything will be strengthened in this. Put your hands back and stand like this. Yeah. Air chair. We are sitting on the air. Yeah. This is over. Yeah. The next exercise I want to tell you is that to strengthen the thigh muscle, quadricep, hamstring, calf muscle and also hip, gluteus maximus. All the muscles will be strengthened in this. So put your position like this, tap your foot like this, fast you have to tap. Fast. Yeah. Then again stretch, quadricep, hamstring, calf muscle. Yeah, Superman is that pull your leg, you feel a stretch at the quadricep, then hamstring, Batman. So stand like this, press your head to the knee 5 times. Same for other leg also. Press your head to the knee 5 times without bending the knee. Yeah, back muscle of the thigh is stretched. Now we set the calf muscle. Stand like this, keep the back foot on the toe and press your heel down 5 times. Now same for other leg also. 5 times you press. Yeah, calf muscle is stretched. Now the next exercise what I want you to do is that because for badminton we need jumps. Jump is there in every movement. In badminton there is a jump training where you have totally about 5 kinds of jumps are there. You have to learn all of them. Then you will be very good in and agile in the badminton court. And you will also do lot of jumps to hit the shuttle. Yeah. So we go for the hostile jumps. To do this exercise, keep your hand like this, slowly bend down, touch your head to the knee and stretch upward like this. See, I just show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, like that we will do the jumps. For the beginning, you start with 10 jumps, then you go for 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Yeah, depends on your leg capacity. Yeah, before you get cramps, you have to do that stretching exercises to the legs. Yeah. So this is my lesson, children. Keep doing be agile and work hard. Even I will work hard. You don't have time, but even I don't have time. But I am working, so you also work. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.